Hi, my name is Mella MD and this is vlog number 44.
Hi guys, it's Monday, February 25, 2019 and we're going to Moonbay Marina Waterpark. For these guys, these two fellas over here. We'll have a little fun under the sun. Catch you later.
Let's go to the fake please.
Kids.
I have posted this video last 2019 and it features the last time I was here on Moonbay Marina Waterpark. It's a really great place to visit and bring your family to when you are in SBMA Zambales. However, due to the COVID pandemic, using this water park now has strict rules and you need to have a schedule in place complete with an RT-PCR test and an pass. After you get through all the necessary requirements, you can enjoy the park as much as you want. It has slides and wave machines. There are fountains and it's really enjoyable for kids. So this could be just your family affair. This video was taken last 2019 and I believe this was the Mondriaan Montessori family day. So you can see a lot of people here with us. You can rent a cottage for the day, but I would suggest leaving if the pools get too crowded. Schedule early in the day so your family doesn't get the COVID infection. Also, I do believe that the current COVID situation has forced the park to have limited time, so you have to check regularly with the website and their Facebook page. You can message the Moonbay Marina administration or call ahead for reservation. This video features some cool shots I took with my GoPro and Samsung A8. The slow motion were 100 frames per second and I had a great time with what was then a new feature. But alas, I am forced to adulterate my own old videos because of the 2020 YouTube policy of reused content. I believe this was the first time I used Netflix's no copyright music because a lot of other creators were also using it. Unfortunately, the music falls under the royalty-free music criteria and I'm forced to do this narration. Even if the video was me and my family in Moonbay Marina, the lack of narration has tagged the previous video as non-created. That video is no longer available as of this upload, but if you happen to like this video, hit me with a thumbs up sign and click that subscribe button to get more from my channel. Hit the bell icon and choose all to get notifications when the next video will be uploaded. I will be adding a show notes description, so check that out below, and this will display an embedded Google map. You can use this Google map to find your way to Moonbay Marina Waterpark once you have confirmed your schedule. I hope you have a great time with this water park just like we did. This video and the original version was created with Cyberlink Power Director. It now has a mobile app and that is what I am using with my new vlogs. You can download any of the version, but be sure to check out my affiliate link bit.ly/0md Power Director. Thank you guys for the support. I will be uploading new content from time to time, but I am trying to get back to monetization with YouTube. So expect more of this type of videos. There are 300 more of them that I had to remake, just enough to get out of this reuse content policy thing. Thank you guys for watching. You're the best. I am Mella MD, physician, firefighter, and EMT. Goodbye and peace out.